everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Dodge Challenger convertible. Super cool car, guys. I bought this car from an older couple out west. It's actually an original Oregon car. I've got pictures of the car stripped down to the bare metal. It's got 1,000 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Very cool color scheme. What'd it say? This is what happens when the wife wants pink and you want black. So it's got a Panther pink and black two-tone color scheme. It is, I mean, every nut and bolt underneath this thing is brand new. The bottom of the car is painted just as nice as the top. It's got gorgeous base coat, clear coat paint all over this car. They really did a nice job with the paint on this car. A couple little spots, I'll show you, little touch-up marks with them driving it. But man, this is a beautiful car. Again, older couple. It's got air in a convertible, which you don't find very much. But it's got a what is it? 2000. The engine and transmission is out of a 2005 test vehicle that only had 1,500 miles on it. So the engine and transmitter match. It's a 5.7 liter Hemi EFI engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Again, does have air. This is a car, we're going to put it right in the front windows and put mirrors underneath this thing. If they could chrome it underneath. I mean, it's got a chrome 8 3/4 rear end in it. Shocks are chrome, gas tanks polished. It's got stainless exhaust. So they spent a ton of money building this car. Again, you'll see a couple little touch-up marks. It looks like this stuff is original. Bumpers are new. But like I say, still very, very nice. A couple little touches. They put Hemi in the sport hood, which was cool. Grill's nice. Car runs and drives just as sweet as can be, guys. Pretty car. We've got the I can't believe, I think it's 55 degrees today. I can't believe the temperature today. But dual chrome sport mirrors. So Mike said he wanted to drive it with the top down. All new legendary interior. I'll take some pictures with the top up. You'll notice we are rushing a little bit. Fortunately, I'm in town one time today, and I'm leaving again for Florida for a car show. But it has the correct material for the top. It is a power top. Luggage rack on the car. Oh, there's a little spot you had to fix right there in the paint. I think you see, yeah, one right there too. But man, I'm telling you, this thing is gorgeous, and wait till you see the doggone bottom of it. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, I had to beg him to give me this picture book. Right down to the bare metal, everything on this car. It's got the RT rear valance with the chrome tips, all stainless exhaust. Yeah, look how straight that car is down the sides. Beautiful. And like I say, just slick paint. These are 18s in the rear, 18-inch American Racing. Look at the chrome rear hubs there, chrome rear springs. This car, really, you take to a car show, you got to bring mirrors and put them on the bottom of this car. It does have front disc brakes. Again, these are 17 and 18-inch American Racing wheels all the way around it. They kind of got that little gray center. Again, 5.7 liter EFI Hemi. It's got air conditioning. It blows cold. Aluminum radiator with the electric fans. It does have power disc brakes. And again, the engine and trans were matched from a Chrysler test vehicle. You can see it's got the chrome hinges on it. And it had 1,500 miles, so it's not a 200,000 mile junkyard motor. Very, very nice, guys. Really nicely done. Missed a little something there. Just a little wax, I think. Very, very nice. Sport hood, like I say, with a, I thought it was a pretty cool paint scheme. Dual sport mirrors. Door handles look original. Door skins are nice and clean. It's got power windows, they all work. Bucket seats, console. It's got a chrome tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Again, it is a power top. All new legendary seat covers, all that stuff is brand new. It has a Classic Industries gauge cluster in it, 1,033 miles on this car. Again, it's power top. There's your plug-in for your computer unit. B&M shifter, has all new wiring harness in it. Again, stainless dual exhaust. It has chromed 8 3/4 rear end with a 323 sure grip rear gear. Batteries here in the trunk with it. It does have a power shut-off switch. That's in here. Again, car was from Oregon. They called it Tickled Pink. That's the name of the car. And again, look at this thing. Look how nice, and they stripped it right down to the bare metal. They did not want to give this to me. I mean, very, very nice. That all goes with it. I mean, see how nice the body was on that car. They said the car was just rock solid, and it had never been in an accident. Like I say, wait till you see this thing on the bottom. Look at that thing. Custom aluminum drive shaft, chrome shocks, polished tank. I mean, it is beautiful. Like I say, you've got to, when you take this car to the car shows, you got to put mirrors underneath it so people can really appreciate it. Wax there. Again, the seats are nice. Dash pad's nice. It's missing the little rubbers on both sides too. I'll see if I can get those. As sweet as can be, guys. I mean, it hits the road great. Air blows cold. But I will tell you, this car drives out great. The fit on the car is really nice. I mean, it's a pretty car. Gauges are all functional. Like I say, there's a plug-in in there for the computer. Put your brakes, Mike. Give it a little rev. It's a great sound. Did you hit the brakes when I told you? Yeah. Oh, I don't know if the lights came on. It's got an all custom sound system on it. We'll have to check that. Although we were in, maybe we unplugged something too. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us. Yeah, Mike, we'll have to check on the brake lights, Mike. I know they work. And I saw you pulling out of the building, so. Make sure you guys are watching our website, guys, and I apologize. Been out of town all week. And of course, I'm leaving tomorrow for another show, but we need inventory. Have a great day, guys.